Mr. Risiji from Guinness World Record Organizations for giving world record certificate on stage and longest moving line up on stage means Kingdom Dang. This is our traditional sports game, Kingdom Dang. Thank you.
Prolong your agony because I am sure everybody wants to know what the outcome is of the count. Now the record to beat was 250, and what we have achieved here today amidst very strict guidelines is 721. So congratulations. A new record has been made, a new record set for Guinness World Records.
Thank you so much for declaring Guinness World Record today. Ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends and media persons and participants. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, media persons and participants. First of all, I would like to thank and congratulate all participants for making Guinness World Record. Longest moving line of public walking on stage. So, on behalf of the people of Caribbean Long, once again, all participants, congratulate to all. This is historic moment for all us. And once again, thank you to all participants and this event possible. Thank you all media person. Thank you Caribbean Long. All participants, please come here. Group photo.
এনেকুৱা নহয় তোমালোকে আপোনালোকে পিছফালে